Alright guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at how to remove background from our images with ease. Okay, so this method is not going to be stressing you. If you are using the old method of removing background, cleaning out the background step by step, that is an old method and it will stress you. So I've come up with this video to show you how you can remove background from your images that you want to use for design easily. Welcome to Design with Lacey. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so that you get notified anytime I post a new video, because it is very necessary. I make sure I drop videos every day, so turn off the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I post interesting videos like this. Alright guys, so let's move on. So the first thing, the website we are going to be using is Remove.bg. okay, so go to your Google Chrome or any web browser that you are using. So you tap on the search bar and search for Remove.bg. okay, the name of the website will show somewhere on this screen, so copy that, search for the website. So this is the website. Alright, so if you can see, stay to the end of this video because I will going to be showing you cool tricks on how to navigate this website. Alright, so I will be showing you how to navigate this website at the end of this video. So first thing first, when you enter this website, you will see the upload image here. They are telling you to upload your image. So this is just like a one-page website. If you scroll down, you will see some things like this, just picture and all other stuffs like this, but we are not going to bother ourselves concerning things like this. Okay, all right, so if you tap on this dot here, you can see some stuffs like this. All right, so what we are going to do is to tap on the upload image. So if you tap on the upload image, it will take you to your phone gallery so that you can import images from your gallery. Okay, so for now I'm just going to, in case you can't find the image you want to import from your gallery, what you can do, you can browse it from here. Okay, so you just tap on this to browse it. So browse it and your phone gallery will open up. All right, so here you can tap on the maybe your gallery, maybe if you are using Google Photos or any of these, it will appear here. Okay, so you can scroll down and see some images you can use. So as for this, I'll be using this woman's image. All right, I got this image from FreePic, so that's the image I'll be using. All right, so I'm just going to tap on that and my image will be uploaded. All right, so it's automatic, the background will be removed. So you can see there is no background on this image. All right, so after uploading it like this, what you are going to do is to tap on the download button here. Okay, do not use this one unless you want to subscribe to their premium. All right, so tap on the download button here and your image will be what, downloaded. Okay, all right guys, so you can see how easy it is. All right, so subscribe to my channel, turn off the notification bell, because I show you tricks like this which you cannot find anywhere. I'll see you in my next video.